decrease the price. Next, it's module design. Even if one of them is damaged, you don't need to change over, just change another one of them.
So you also that just kind of model you just introduced from 510S underside version, and that's one. The design kit. Both can use the for ICU. So why I choose just one is possible. Why I choose just model?
Because it has a comprehensively functions better than with 510S. So it's more better. It's better to use this one instead of 510S.
It's probably better, it's bigger. It's more apparently it's good. What's the better? What's function?
It has, you see, it supports both invasive and non-invasive ventilation. We can don't need to change the machine, change the ventilator from one ventilator one patient. First he need non-invasive ventilation. Next he need the invasive. You don't need to change the machine. So you only need this one. And it also supports many useful clinical tools like the inspiratory hold, nebulizer, suction, print screen, freeze, and other many useful functions, while the 510S doesn't have.
Nebulizer, how do you operate it?
Nebulizer, you have to connect it with a nebulizer device. It's optional parts. And another thing is, if you do not use the AC power, just use the built-in battery as the power supply. You cannot use this to save the batteries.
As you mentioned, this machine can be used in the ICU. And what's the advantage by comparing with the ventilator with air compressor?
With compressor. With air compressor. The the ventilator with the air compressor is the classic.
My news is that your ventilator is turbine ventilator, right? And I know what is the advantage by comparing with air compressor.
Compare with ventilator with air compressor. It is easy to transport. The air compressor is very heavy and noisy, and our built-in turbine is quiet, and no need to connect AC power to transport. It's very convenient. Pneumatic driven and electronically controlled. EOMed 8308 is an advanced anesthesia machine. A screen 10.4 inch. Dynamic display of waveform and parameters. Vaporizer. Pour fuel, key fuel, and quick fuel. Interlock with interlock installation, and it has flow, pressure, and temperature compensation, guaranteed accuracy. Classic 6 tubes mechanical flow meter, display oxygen, air, and N2O. Oxygen flash button to deliver oxygen to the breathing system. Breathing system. This is the APO valve. It has two functions. One is limits the maximum airway pressure. Another is release the airway pressure by lifting this. Except for the airway gauge and the oxygen sensor, the whole part is fully applicable, and it's a continuous heating system, giving patients a more comfortable experience, and at the same time it reduces the water condensation to protect the built-in sensors. And the bellow is clean, easy to observe. The carbon dioxide time is 6 to 8 hours. And we have a lot of accessories for your choice, like the anesthesia gas scavenging system, suction unit, and CO2 module, and anesthesia gas monitoring module. And I will show you. It also has a self-type test and technical test. It has advanced ventilation mode, like the PCVT, pressure control, volume guaranteed. It is very useful, while many other anesthesia machines doesn't have. It also can be divided into the following parts: setting area, shortcut button, and the monitoring area. At the anesthesia machine, it has the anesthetics gas monitoring, the waveforms, and the information area. In short, anesthesia machine 8308 is an advanced anesthesia machine. I highly recommend it for you too. Now it's time for question and answers.
Okay, I got a tender. They ask about your anesthesia machine looks good, looks nice. But I got a tender. They ask anesthesia workstation monitor from same manufacturer. Can you provide?
From which manufacturer?
From same manufacturer. Can you provide?
Yes, of course. Here, but this anesthesia is borrowed by others. The model is 8708. It is one of our most advanced anesthesia machines.
You don't get clear about my questions. I ask. My question is one tender ask the anesthesia machine monitor from same and one liter from same manufacturer. Can you
You
provide?
mean patient monitor, right?
Yeah, patient monitor.
It's available. We also have our own model, but sometimes people ask others. We can offer Eomed brand patient monitor and also other brands like the Coleman. We can purchase for you. And our Indian manager, before she worked in Contact, his previous company had a lot of affordable and high performance patient monitor. That's our advantages. We can buy it for you at a very low price.
But the problem is my customer only ask manufacturer anesthesia workstation and the monitor from same manufacturer. They don't like a Coleman brand or
It's
Mandri.
okay, it's okay. We
If
can.
we want to fund Coleman Mandri, we just fund them to participate in that tender. Just forget about your anesthesia.
Yeah, I got your question. We can offer the Eomed brand patient monitor for you.
But
We-
if you provide the monitor with the EML brand, if this monitor broken, who give this service?
We have after sales service team and engineers.
But this monitor is from Mandarin and Coleman.
First, I already tell you, Eomed have our own brand patient monitor. And another choice, we can buy the natural. You know natural? Doesn't have the label or brand on the machine. If this, we will select the quality patient monitor for you. Do not just find the low price, but better quality patient monitor for you. So we can decrease the damage rate. Even if it's damaged, we will contact the manufacturer to send the free parts for you if it's in the warranty time. And we will offer the technical assist for you. You don't need to worry about it.
But we need the patient monitor and the another machine is manufactured by the same company, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So can you show your patient monitor to us?
Patient what?
Patient monitor to us.
To your.
Can you show your patient? As
I
you
got
mentioned.
it. I got it.
Yeah.
The patient monitor is not in this